At Crossfield Elementary School, first grade teacher Jennifer Kennard uses a teaching strategy called guided math. When a new unit begins, Jennifer pre-assesses what the students already know about a particular math standard and then groups students together with the same learning needs. After a whole class lesson, the students work at different learning stations with their groups to build their math skills. This method of differentiating instruction ensures that students are always getting lessons customized for their needs.
In order to differentiate, it does take time to create different activities for kids that are at different levels, but it is definitely worthwhile. You want to make sure that every kid is learning. You don't want something to be too easy, too hard. The great thing is you actually spend less time going over things because you're already focusing on exactly what they need to learn. So nothing is way above their head, nothing's too low. It's right where you need to instruct them. So even though you're putting a lot of time into creating different activities, it definitely pays off in the end.
Guided math is also known as Math Workshop, a name based on the fun and engaging learning activities that incorporate hands-on manipulatives.
I like playing the games because it's not just like practicing, it's more fun than just regular practicing.
You guys count with me. 25, 50, 75.
I think that the students like small groups because they love working with the materials and they love sharing their findings with the teacher and with their peers.
I like learning about it because there's like a lot of other people when it's the whole class, and there's so many, and there's not a lot of questions. Everyone doesn't really get a chance to answer, and it's not really fair. So I just like how it's in a smaller group and there's a small amount of questions so everyone can answer it, so it's fair.
At the end of a unit, Jennifer gives students a post-assessment to determine what each child has mastered or what they still need to work on. This ensures that all students will succeed in mastering their math skills.
I have seen improvements from the pre-test to the post-test. It's fabulous to see the growth that they've made, and at this age the kids love to be out of their seats, to be working with others, sharing with others what they're learning. They need that, and truly not just kids at this age, but everyone needs that, and I think that's how they learn best. And when you look at where they were in the beginning, where they are at the end, you can definitely see a lot of growth. And I think that's because they're engaged in the activity.
Differentiated instruction, especially in math, is becoming more popular in the elementary grades as educators like Jennifer find ways to teach all children and help them reach their full potential.